Hey guys, it's Jersey. I'm performing at the Point today at 2 p.m. If you want to come join and support me, I would love it if you came. And yeah, have fun. Jersey love.
Everything is a go.
Hey, Doc, here's your coffee.
Thank you.
Ryan, your beers.
Thank you, John.
Do you want to keep that tab open?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Really?
Well, I guess beauty is in the eyes of the beer holder.
Okay.
I've got everything set up. And I brought extra cords just like you asked. I also set up the merchandise table. The sound is gonna be, it'll be good enough. Everything, just as you requested, Chief.
Do you think she'll be okay? I told her not to freak out if she messes up. I don't want her to feel like she did last week.
She'll be fine.
You know, you could be a little more supportive.
You don't think I do enough. I've devoted my entire life to this family. I supported you through medical school. I've been a great son-in-law to your mom and dad. I don't know what you're talking about.
Look.
I think I'm plenty supportive.
Look, I don't want to argue, okay? I didn't mean it like that. This is Jersey's night. Let's not do this. Let's just try to be happy.
Well, cheers, honey.
Ryan.
What? Do you know what happens when a thermometer breaks during a rectal examination? Mercury is in Uranus. Think about it.
Again with the jokes. Let's just dance. We're gonna be here all night.
Best friends tomorrow.
Hey guys, I had so much fun performing at the Point last night. To all my friends and fans who showed up, I had so much fun. It was great. And
How many times do I have to tell you? And you need to take the shirt off. Put it back in your brother's room.
sorry guys, my dad's a little grumpy. Probably needs more coffee. Jersey love.
You know I don't like that stuff, Jersey. You know why that is? It's because you lack strategy.
Be quiet, Ryan. She's doing great. How many followers do you have, sweetie?
37,643. Oh, just got another one.
And how many followers do you have, babe?
1, maybe 2. I don't need any though.
Well, with that attitude, not sure I'd even accept your invite.
You wouldn't accept my invite?
Gross.
Oh, good. I see you got the planner out. Don't forget you're taking Jersey to the recording studio at 1 p.m. today.
not, ever since you said I wasn't supportive enough. Guess who's gonna be there?
Clark? Sam? Kent? Clark Kent?
Toby from Hazing Rain.
No way. I wish I didn't have to work. Oh, super, don't forget, after the studio, Jersey has a lucrative gig at a party, and apparently the family is just obsessed with her.
Well, since I'm doing all the running around, maybe you can meet us there.
Sure, yeah, I'll just have Dr. Simpson drop me off. You know, honey, it is okay for you to spend time with her without having me around. If you would just, talk to Jersey, you would see that she loves you too.
Hey guys, I'm on the way to the recording studio right now, hopefully to finish this new song. I heard Toby from Hazing Rain's gonna be there. I don't know, but I'm really excited. Bye, Jersey love.
Jersey, how many times do I have to tell you?
All right, you're a musical genius, man. That's a wrap. Sounded great, man. Thanks. This is Jersey and her father, Ryan.
Hey, what's up, man?
Jersey, this is Toby from Hazing Rain.
I've heard so much about you. You have an amazing fucking voice. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Can I have an autograph?
Hey, yeah. Only if I can have yours. Let me see this. Okay.
All right, Jersey, in the booth. Let's go, let's go.
Let's see a little bit of this.
Damien. I really don't want to be here right now. Do you know when this song is going to get published?
I just need the vocals and then we're done.
She's really good, man. You should listen to her.
Toby, hold up.
Hey guys, it's Jersey. I just met Toby from Hazing Rain. He's great. Also, I finished the recording of 21st Century, and my producer said it's coming out tomorrow. I'm so excited. But anyways, I have to go get ready for the party, so Jersey love, and I hope you all have a great day.
You must be Tim. I am. Nice to meet you. Yes, sir.
Hi,
This is
I'm
Jersey, my dog. It's Jersey.
This is my wife, Sarah. Hi. Nice to meet you.
Oh my god. I'm such a big fan of you. I love your music. I can't believe I'm meeting you right now.
Nice to meet you.
Can I get an autograph?
Only if I can get yours.
Can't blame a girl for trying. She gets one small text, she'll start crying. You can't blame her for wanting the best of both worlds, happy and honest. Hope one day you'll find her not using that pick you desire. Hope one day she finds you under that same roof you're used to use. Now your heart's so firm, you miss her so much, it hurts.
Intermission. On behalf of Jersey and Jersey's team, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you, yes. I noticed that Jersey has yet to say thank you this entire time. And she knows better than that. We literally just had a conversation about this just the other day. And what did I say? I said, appreciate, acknowledge, and thank your fan base. Appreciate, acknowledge, and thank your fan base. Why did I tell you this? Because you lose your friends, and you'll never see that friend again. What if that fan was special? Anyway, where's Mr. CEO? Mr. CEO. Oh, come on up here. Yeah, come on up here. Mr. CEO, Tim, your boy. Tim is in the house. Timberine, man. I have a present for you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, without further ado, Toby from Hazing Rain! Woo!
Hey, man.
Toby!
Hey, how you doing?
Did you bring us some shots?
Looks like you've had one too many, brother, if you know what I mean. If you can embrace your heart and hear its call, no matter if you're feeling lost or clouded, through all that hazing rain, you'll always find a way. And with that being said, I'm gonna give y'all a little taste of my new song, so I hope y'all enjoy it.
Ryan, can you hear me? This is Dr. Simpson. Ryan, unfortunately, you've been involved in a very serious car accident. Your wife and your daughter were present and they did not survive. I'm so sorry.
Fuck you think this is? You come into my place, bossing me around like what?
What bitch you with me for?
When I haven't seen you for years.
You wanna make some money or no?
Why do I need someone? You
Jesus! God damn Christ! What is wrong with you? You goddamn clumsy! Pay attention to what you're doing. Always in such a goddamn rush. Clean this shit up. Want to grab me a beer?
Dad, no. That's what killed Mom in Jersey.
I didn't kill anyone, Cole. Your goddamn mother got herself killed. Truth be told, your mother had a lot of problems. I never loved your mother. I only stayed with her for you kids. And if it wasn't for your sister, I wouldn't have stuck around at all. Your mother was absolutely worthless. Life isn't all fun and games, Cole. Sometimes you gotta grow a pair of goddamn balls.
13! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need help at 13! Nurse, can you check his pulse?
No pulse.
I got nothing either. 1 milligram of epi. 1, 2.
And this is Brutal Truths. Here's your host, BW.
Hey everybody, BW here. B for being kind, W for nobody likes whiny conservatives.
Hey RJ, do you know what I am? You are a whiny conservative.
Alright, guys.
What the hell is
So,
this
I gotta
bullshit
tell y'all
you're
what I did
listening
this
to,
weekend. I
Cole?
saw this movie.
It's just a podcast.
It's not just a podcast. This is liberal bullshit.
It's just on the radio. I don't know what it is.
Turn the shit off. You're just like your goddamn mother.
Can't drive. You've had way too many.
You don't tell me what the fuck to do, Cole! You know better than that!
Okay.
Now I'm out of beer. God damn it!
That's what killed Mom, Dad.
I didn't kill anyone, Cole. Your goddamn mother did it to herself. She's responsible for this entire mess. And you know the rule. If you don't like things around here, there's the goddamn door. Truth be told, your mother had a lot of problems. I never loved your mother. I only stuck with her for you kids. And if it wasn't for your sister, I wouldn't have stuck around at all. Life isn't all fun and games, Cole. Sometimes you gotta grow.
How's that for a brutal fucking truth?
How you doing? Hey, Dr. Simpson. So unfortunately, Ryan's chances of survival are not great. Is there any family or anybody that we can contact?
There is, but I don't think you're going to be able to get a hold of them. I'm all he has right now.
Can't be my girl for trying. She gets one small text, she'll start crying. You can't blame her for running. The best of both worlds.
You want a beer?
No, Dad. That's what killed Mom.
I didn't kill anyone, Cole. She did this to herself. She's responsible for this entire mess. And I've told you this before. If you don't like it here, there's the door.
Hope one day you find after that how good fame it for me, but I won't be happy.
She's really good, man. You should listen to her.
You know, honey, it is okay for you to spend time with her. If you would just talk to Jersey, you would see that she loves you too.
You're welcome.
Dad, get up. Truth be told, I knew you and Mom had problems. Who doesn't? But I never blamed you. And not once did I compare you to Grandpa. That wasn't your fault. But you need to stop blaming yourself. We all grieve differently. But you need to understand that Jersey and Mom, they need you. And they love you so much. You need to see that you have a second chance. Accept who you are, Dad. Moved on with my life. I love you. I'll always love you.
She's not with you. She's happy. Name someone happier than a thief.
You can't stay here. You gotta wake up. You gotta wake up, Dad.
Name someone to
Dad, wake up. Wake up. Dad, wake up.
Dad. Dad, wake up. Dad. Dad, wake up.
I thought you two were dead.
No. Unless we're in hospital heaven.
The doctor came in, said that we were in a serious car accident, and you two died. I turned into my father. Cole was there. Toby from Hazing Rain was there. Where's Cole?
Honey, Cole's been gone for 2 years. Do you remember what happened last night? You fell down. You were drunk, and we had to carry you to the car because you injured your head. Do you remember Jersey's concert?
I thought you two were dead. Felt like life was over. Jersey, I love you.
I thought you didn't care.
Your brother meant the world to me, but so do you. I realized that what happened to your brother wasn't my fault. And I've been blaming myself and blocking you out because I couldn't handle the pain. And I hurt you, and I never meant for that. I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose either one of you. I know I haven't been supportive enough. I promise things are going to change. I don't want to live in the past anymore. My future's in you.
I love you, Dad.
I love you too. I love you.
I love you. Do you want to see what really happened?
Sure.
Absolutely.
Ryan.
Oh, God.
Ryan?
Is he okay?
No. He's really hurt. We need to get him to the hospital.
Hey, Jersey. You know, sometimes when we fall down, there's still something down there we're supposed to find.
Hey, this is Ryan. This is my first official social media post, and we're here at the where are we at? Old Town Vineyards. And Jersey's gonna be performing tonight, so we're really excited about it. A lot of fans are gonna be here. She's getting set up right now. Damien, her counterpart, he's also here, the producer. So we're gonna have a good time tonight. Jersey, is there anything you wanna say?
Hi guys.
Damien. Anyway, we're gonna have a fun time tonight. And one other thing, if you have a kid around, if you have a child, if you have a son or daughter, tell them you love them. No explanation needed. Jersey love.